Hello everybody, आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. So without wasting much time, let us get started with our understanding of today's market. So today we are going to understand a very important topic, which is when a particular resistance is tested multiple times, it becomes weaker. So let us have a look at it on the chart, right? So let's say this is a resistance. When this particular resistance is tested once, twice, thrice, then eventually this particular resistance will be taken out. Now, always look at a resistance like a wall, right? And this prices as a hammer. So if you hit the prices, so if you hit the wall again and again, eventually the wall will be broken. And similar is the case with a resistance. So when a resistance is tested multiple times, it will eventually be taken out with a strong momentum when I talk about the stock market. So today we are also going to have a look at few stocks which are showing us such good structure. Also, we are going to have a look at how can we use the same concept for trading in intraday Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let us get started with our first stock, which is Apollo Hospitals, right? So let's go to Apollo Hospitals on a daily time frame. So when we look at Apollo Hospitals on a daily time frame, what do you see? First of all, it is trading at its value area. This is the area from where the big buying happened. Now, if I zoom in, what do I see? I see that there is a mother candle, right? And for the last 4 days, it was consolidating within this range. And today, it has managed to close near its day high, right? And tomorrow, if it opens flat, I can see a strong momentum in Apollo Hospitals, right? So try to understand what am I saying. There is a resistance which has been tested multiple times. Now, if I take you to shorter time frame, you will understand even better, right? So let's go to hourly time frame. Look at this. This particular resistance has now been tested once, twice, thrice, and now trading above all the nearest hurdles. Right. So let's have a look at another stock, which is GMR Infra. This is the chart of GMR Infra on a daily time frame. As you can see, the market was trading inside this range, and today it has managed to close near its day high, which is not just the high of today, but this was also the high of yesterday and the past 4 to 5 days, which means that finally it is outside this range of consolidation. And tomorrow, if GMR Infra opens flat, we can see a good momentum, and this can also be your short-term trading pick. Correct. Now, let us go and have a look at our next stock. So, guys, this is the chart of Ashok Leyland on a daily time frame. Now, when you look at the chart, what do you see? Well, we can clearly see that this particular stock is actually consolidating within this range after this very strong momentum. Now, let's go to shorter time frame so you understand even better. It is very similar to what we were discussing, that when a resistance, take this as a wall, which is tested multiple times, it becomes weaker. We can also see that the buyers are inching in. Now, if there is a candle which closes above this level and it also sustains above it on an hourly time frame, we can look for a short-term opportunity in Ashok Leyland. So today we understood how these particular stocks, when they are trading near its day high, along with its nearest resistance, how they give strong momentum. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to go to a 5 minutes time frame to understand, does the same setup work on the index as well? Now, in order to identify an opportunity for day trading, what we are going to do is we are going to mark the high and low of the first 1 hour of the day, right? And if the high or the low is tested more than 2 to 3 times, we are going to look for what? A breakout trading opportunity. So let's go to Nifty Bank on a 5 minutes time frame, obviously, like I said. So let's have a look at today's example. This, as you can see, is the high, right? And the low of the first 1 hour. So what happened today? This particular high was tested once, twice, thrice, and then there was a clear breakout and a up move. Correct. Let's go back and see what opportunities are we seeing in the market. Correct. Now, have a look at this. This was yesterday. Yesterday, this was the high, right? And this was the low. But when the high was taken out, it was tested for the first time. So we are going to ignore it. Let's go back and have a look at this, right? In this particular case, I guess this was the low of the first 1 hour. But if you see, it was a fresh zone. So we don't short at this area. However, look at the further low of the day, which was tested once, twice, thrice, and then a continuation in the market. Let's have a look at more examples. Have a look at this particular example. This particular level again was tested once, twice, and then a breakdown. So what do we want? We want an area to be tested multiple times. Right now, again, there is a day high breakout in this case, but again, this was a fresh level, right, which was taken out. So we'll understand later on as to how to trade when there is a big gap up or a gap down. But as of now, this is not a trade for us. Let's go and have a look at other opportunities. Now see, this is again a very beautiful opportunity. If you see this particular resistance, right, which was the high, it was tested once, twice, right? And if you see, even on the previous day, it was tested twice. So making this particular resistance very, very weak. And as there was a breakout, we saw a strong momentum, right? Let's go back and have a look at further examples if we can. Let's have a look at this area. Why we never want to trade breakouts like this. This was the high and the low of the entire first 1 hour. Now just look at the big range that it is forming. We never want to trade breakouts when the range is so big, right? We want to trade breakouts when the range is smaller, right? For example, a range like this. Let's have a look at this particular example. This was the high of the first 1 hour. If you see, this particular high was tested once, twice, thrice, and then there was a clear breakout. Usually, like I said, when a resistance is taken out with such strong momentum, it usually leads to a very, very strong move. Now have a look at this. This was the low of the day. Now, if you see, it was tested once, twice, thrice, and a very, very strong breakout. But here, it failed. So again, trade setups do fail. And have a look at this beautiful example that we have again. This was the high of the day. Tested once, twice, thrice, 4 times, and then a breakout and a strong momentum on the upside. Let's have a look at more example. Have a look at this. The high of the day is tested once, twice, thrice, and then a clear breakout and continuation. So these are the kind of setups that you should actually look forward to. Have a look at this. Here the low was tested once, twice, thrice, but it did not give a breakdown, right? Let's go back and have a look at more examples. Let's have a look at this example as well. If you see, this was also a very, very strong breakdown, but it failed. So trades are going to fail. However, whenever your trade is in your favor, you can make the best out of it. Correct? Okay, again, we have a very, very good example. Look at this. Day high tested once, twice, thrice, and then a breakout and a strong momentum on the upside. So I hope you learned something very, very easy to trade today. So whenever you're trading the index and if you're a breakout trader, always look for an area which has been tested multiple times, right? Because it would make sure that you have a high probable breakout happening in your favor. So with that note, thank you so much. I hope you guys learned a lot. Like always, bringing a ton of value to you. So I hope you are enjoying this. So make sure you like the video, you hit the subscribe button, and make sure that you also put in the comment section as to what you're looking forward to. So with that note, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.